Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life. Today is the day that we post our mini 2022 shares that we've made before we send them off to our partner. This swap is hosted by our friends Elsa and Isabel. Elsa, the bargain hunting crafter, and Crafting with Isabel. So thank you ladies for hosting. They've matched us up with our partners, and I was so happy and so blessed to be partnered up with my lovely friend, our lovely friend, Norma, the Florida Misfit Crafter. And as soon as Norma, and I knew that we were partnered up, within minutes, we were already messaging each other and communicating. So she is just so wonderful. If you're not already following her channel, I will put her link below. Definitely go over and spend some time with her. You will love her. She's a teacher. We have lots in common. Other than that, we have lots in common, and she is just the sweetest. Oh my goodness. So we decided that we were going to stick with one collection to do all of our makes. And Elsa and Isabel gave us a list of items, and everything has to be mini. I'm not sure if mine fit the queue for mini. I don't know, but you know what, guys? I created, and I'm happy with what I'm sending. Norma, so let me share with you. Okay, first I want to tell you that I used Stampin' Up paper. I don't know if you can see it right here, but this Stampin' Up paper was last year's Valentine paper that I got at the end of the season, and so I bought a pack of it. This year's Stampin' Up Valentine paper is super cute too, and I just didn't have enough time to order it and get it in, and you know, just the craziness of the holidays and everything. So, so this paper is just fun with these fun little snails, and I wanted to use this paper because, of course, it's cute, but then also because I have the stamps that go along with it that I was gifted actually from my awesome Stampin' Up rep that is here in town. That her name is Lynn. You've probably heard me talk about her before. And so I got out these scallop heart dies that I have, and I thought, okay, which one of these am I going to be using? Which one's mini? I don't know. So I just thought these are so cute. I love these. I use these all year long. So I got those out. I had totally forgotten that I had this die. Oh my gosh. So I go in there and look for it, and I thought, oh, perfect. Okay, because one of the things we have to make is ATC coins. So let me go ahead and just share with you. Everything's all packaged up, so I'll take out what I can and share with you, but I don't think I need to take these out. So for my ATC coins, I just used Stampin' Up paper, and I die cut these, and then I backed it up on the red, and then actually, guys, I made shakers out of them. So I put some of the Dollar Tree, you know, pink netting on there. I use a sequin mix that I got from Magical Mixery, and then just some other little pieces that I had there to decorate. I thought those were cute, and then I made her 4. So a couple of them, I put a couple hearts, and then I decorated the bag with some little shakers in there too. They didn't fall out from the ATC coins. They're actually extras that I put in there for her. So, okay, so that's the first thing we had to make was ATC coins. How many items for each one we had to make? I'm not really sure. I don't know if I don't know. I went back to the video a few times, but who knows if I got it right or not. Anyway, okay, so the next one looks like this. I have lots of these little Valentine bags that I've bought over the years that I found in my stash, so I wanted to use them. I thought they were cute. And then these two stamps right here are Stampin' Up Punches, and this stamp is High Valentine as well. So let me open that up and show you the Twinchies that are in here. So we needed to make Twinchies. So I used the green, and then I also used the red paper here, and I cut out my squares 2 by 2. I liked these flowers, so I used those. I put a little bit of glossy accents. It's not really glossy accents. It's something that's in the Mod Podge family that said, I watched on a video that said it was comparable to glossy accents, so I used it, and I don't know, it's a pretty good effect. I probably could have put more on, which I didn't. And then I used this trim that I got from Magical Mixery here to add that on there, and then these little hearts here are Stampin' Up little embellishments, and then these little papers that I cut out as background are also from the paper pad, and this stamp also is Stampin' Up as well. So I have those 3 on the front, and then one more on the back because I made 4. So those are the Twinchies, and I just put them on this background paper with this bling right here. Put that right there. And then the next thing we needed to make was an ATC card. So let me take it out of here. Again, I put it in this bag along with this heart and then some Dollar Tree stickers. And I made this ATC card. I stamped the snails, and this actually card back here is a paper pumpkin card as well. And so I just went ahead and glued those on there with some hearts. This love, that ephemera is Stampin' Up as well. And then put a little piece of twine here and that little puffy heart right there, the magical mixery. And then what I did, guys, was I went ahead, I don't know if you can tell, I just put this on with the, I don't want to take it off, but I put some stamps on here. I stamped some snails as the background, so in case Norma Lisa wanted to color her own. And then I also included for her some of this little twine that I used, and then some hearts as well that she might want to use as well. So I made one ATC. I can't remember if we were supposed to make more than one, but anyway, I made one. And then we were supposed to do a flip tag, and we were supposed to do a mini flip tag. This isn't really mini, I don't think, but you know what, guys? What I did was I took the heart and I started die cutting, and I was like almost finished die cutting all the hearts before I realized, oh no, maybe I should have used a smaller heart, but that's okay. I'm sticking with this one because I already had them die cut and I didn't want to waste the paper. So I used this pink ring to go on it, and I didn't make this. This was gifted to me in a swap last year, so that's a fun little dangle there. I did make this bow out of some faux leather that I have there, and then I embossed this white paper, and then I inked around it, and then I die cut out the words love. This was the first time that I had used these alpha die cuts. I bought them last year but never used them yet, so I was happy to do that. And then some little pieces right there, and then on the back I decorated both the front and the back, just this little Be Mine little banner with a couple hearts. And then on this tag I made it into a pocket. Of course, there had to be a pocket somewhere, and then I stuck just a whole bunch of different ephemera pieces in there. Love you bunches, Norma Lisa. And then on the back, I can't remember what collection this comes from, but just the different animals, might be pebbles maybe. And so I took this cute little fox and just blinged it up, and oops, oh, I gotta glue that on better. And then just put some X's and O's right there. And then on this tag, I found some other pieces. This is Doodlebug, I think, and then I just inked around there, added on some hearts on there. And then on the back, I die cut these with love out of the shimmery pink, and I just put them on with a little sticky dot, so hopefully she'll peel those off and use those if she wants to. And then on this heart, I got this heart background in a Destash that I got from Carla. It's really cool. And then these are just those Hobby Lobby pieces. And then on the back, I made this little black envelope, and I put a few little goodies in there for her. And then the gold, I had that gold heart in my stash, so I found some gold washi to kind of bring that out. And then put these little bling pieces on there. And then on this heart, I didn't make this rosette. This is from a swap from last year, I think from one of a Facebook swap. And so I just put that on there. I thought that was really pretty. And then on the back, if you remember a previous video, I embossed these and made that embellishment, and then I found that little kiss me right there. So that, I think I may add a bow on here before I mail it out. So that is that. One of the other requirements for the swap was to create 3x3 cards. Again, I'm not sure how many, but I created 6. And so what I did was I started off and I made 6 pink envelopes first. I didn't decorate them. I left them plain, so Norma Lisa can go ahead and decorate them however she wants. I used a white base with pink background, and then just found this paper in my stash. It has roses on it. I just thought that was pretty, and then added that heart ephemera. Another white base with a pink background, same pink paper, and then I used that sticker, and to bring out the gold I used that washi tape, and then just added that heart. White base, and now I use that green background. I had this banner piece of ephemera in my stash, so I just cut a piece of the Stampin' Up paper there, added the 2 hearts. Pink base, and I used this teal doily piece of ephemera there, and then added on that heart. White base, pink doily here, put a little banner here, and then just a couple pieces of ephemera. I just kept all of these really simple, guys. I'm just a clean and simple crafter, and plus I knew that after I put them in the envelopes, I wanted to make a container for them to go in, which I'll tell you about in just a second. So I didn't want to make them too bulky. I figured a sticker was enough. When I was going through my scraps to make these little banners, I found this piece of craft scrap paper, and I thought, oh, I like that. I'm going to use that. So I put a white doily on it and then just some foam hearts there. So I've made this box before, and this is the same Stampin' Up paper, and I believe that I followed the Paper Pixie, who is also a Stampin' Up rep. I believe that I used her tutorial, and so I just die cut these hearts here. And this box, on her tutorials, she said that it will hold 12 3x3 cards and envelopes. Well, that's if you just completely don't even put anything on them, right? So since I put some little stickers and other goodies and other pieces of ephemera on them, then mine only fit 6. So, but I think that this, if they're just completely flat, it will fit 12. So I just think this little box is cute. This was not a requirement, but I just thought this was so cute, and this is so easy to make, guys. Oh my gosh, and another little fun box. So there's some little Debbie treats in here, and just had to send some little treats. That says Hi Valentine down there. And then here's the slide that goes on top. Here's some Stampin' Up ribbon and the punches, and this is I just thought this was really fun. I bought these little Valentine treats because I'm putting together a little Valentine goodie for my honey bunny, and if you know who my honey bunny is here on YouTube, then you know who's going to be receiving that. And I'm going to be making her one of these little containers. I'm going to be making a few of them because the little Debbie treats come, that 2-pack that you saw, there's 5 of them in a box. So I'm going to be making 4 more of these to give to friends. I'm not going to go take everything out of here. Made the stuffed envelope for Norma Lisa. Of course, there's a Starbucks gift card in there, and some stickers, some bags, and just some other fun little goodies as well. And I just have some chocolates for her and some lotion. And that's everything for our hashtag Mini 2022 swap. Thank you, Elsa, and thank you, Isabel, for hosting this swap. I'm going to be putting this in the mail tomorrow. Norma Lisa will be posting on her channel what she's created and what I'll be receiving, but I'm not going to look at it, guys, because I want to be surprised. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. I love Valentine crafting and so excited that Valentine's is almost here. But before Valentine's, it's my husband Raleigh's birthday, February 5th. So we'll celebrate my husband's birthday and then with lots of love, and then celebrate the day of love. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.